Hello everyone and welcome to Designing Academy. Today we're going to learn how to use Shopify.com. Now, I'm sure that there's too much people who are beginners and they have hard time to manage the website from the back end of Shopify. And today we're going to learn how to use every single section in the website. So what you are expected to learn in this tutorial. The first thing we're going to learn is how to manage the back end, how to add the files to your website, how to add a payment method, how to manage the products, how to change the quantity of the products, how to add collections, and how to change the theme of the website. So just to let you know, there is a lot of free themes that you can use on the website on Shopify, and there is also the option to get a paid premium theme. So what you prefer is, it's up to you. It's up to the client budget. If you are a web developer, it's up to you. Also, if you are a project owner who want to start maybe on a budget, you can use the free Shopify theme. Just to let you know also that you can customize this theme if you have a little bit of knowledge of coding, but this we will gonna learn in the future. The important things we need to learn also is how to make the theme look branded. How we gonna learn how we gonna make the theme menus. So when you have to make a menu on the top header or the footer. Also, it's very important to know how to make the tax, how we change the tax percentage on every order. So if you want to collect the tax from your sales, when the people go to the checkout, the tax will be added automatically and calculated from the price total. Also, how the collections work on Shopify, since you can use multiple ways to make your Shopify collections working in a different ways, like there is an automated ways that you can make an hashtag or a keyword or something that you can put on the word in every product, or if it's even in a certain collection, or if it's even you can make the tags of the product in a certain way that you can organize the structure of the products and the structure of the collections. Also, there is a manual way where you can make the collection and you can add the products to this collection by yourself manually. Let's go into the tutorial and let's see how everything is working. So you have to go to Shopify.com to log into your account. If you don't have one, it's easy, super easy to create a new account. This is the dashboard, the main dashboard when you log in. It's very simple. You can see there is a setup guide if you have a new Shopify store. There is some recommendations that you have to do to your shop, like customize the online store, add a custom domain, etc. All of this you can find on your dashboard once you log into your Shopify store. On the left side, there is the dashboard. There is the first one is home, second one is orders, third one is products, where you can manage the products, add them, change the quantity, etc. Make the collections. Everything can be done through this products dashboard when you click on it. Under it, there is the customers, where you can manage your customers. And here you can see that on the left, you can check the orders. When we click on orders, you can see that if you have orders already, you can see that there is a list of orders you can manage. Here there is the draft orders, where you can make a manual created orders and you save them as draft. So if you sell, you can use this feature when you sell offline and you want to save this order for your records on your website. The shipping labels, it's used usually when you are doing when you are buying and print labels in bulk to manage your shipments on Shopify without any fees. Also, the upon checkout, it means that some people who tried, or some customers who arrived at the checkout page but they didn't finish it for some reasons, like there is an error on the checkout page, or there is some problems, they have no enough money in their bank account, they try to check out with a wrong card numbers, etc. All of these information, you'll find them in this dashboard. And when we go to products on the left side, also the main dashboard is products. Here you can add a product. When you click and add a product, you can create a brand new products to your Shopify store. And on the right hand side, there is import, where you can import your products from another platform like WooCommerce or from Shopify itself. The process from importing from Shopify to Shopify is super easy. From WooCommerce to Shopify, it takes a little bit of work, so it's a little bit different. We will make another tutorial for this in the future. So when we click on add a product, we have the dashboard to add products. In the first section, there is the title. You can write any title for your product. In my case, I will write a random title, and there is the description where you can write a description about your product. I will write a test product, so I will name it just test. On the below the title, there is the description. Here we can see that you can change the title H1, H2, H3. This is a structure. This is helping. When you choose H1, it means the main title, which means that you are telling Google that this is the main title H1. And when you make an H2 under it, it means that it's the subtitle, and so on. When you make H3, it means that it's the sub of the subtitle. So we're gonna try this right now, but it's not an important thing to know right now. It's just about how your description structure should be to help the search engines to find your products. So I will put the title H2. I will start always from H2. H1 is not recommended for the description, so I will just use H2 as the title, the main title, H3 the subtitle, and H4 as a sub of the sub. Or I can just write the paragraph. Here, the media, you can upload a file, you can upload a picture here, and you can select existing picture if you already uploaded some pictures to your website. I didn't that yet, so my website is brand new, so I don't have any products and pictures at the moment, so we will just need to upload a new one. For me, I will just leave it empty. There's the category of your website of your product, so you can just choose any category from these pre-made categories on your website. These are made from Shopify. For me, I will just use a random one, like for example, maybe hand mouse or hats. Maybe I will just use the sunglasses. Yeah, this one. And this is the pricing section where you can choose the price for your website, for your product on the website. The price means that it's the main price of your product, and the compared price, it means that it's the sale price, it's the discounted price. And this, it's when you take this, it means that you want to charge tax on this product, and later on I will show you how to add a tax to your product. So if you untick this, it means that you don't want to charge any tax. And down, it's meaning that cost per item. This is just for your information. It will not show anywhere on your front end website. It's just about to calculate at the end of the month how much profit you made from your sales. This will be shown on the dashboard of the reports of your Shopify store, and the section down you can see the inventory. It's asking you if you want to track the inventory of this product or not, the quantity. So if you untick this, never mind, you don't have, you have 0 or you have 10 in your inventory warehouse, the website will keep selling. So if you take this, you have to choose a quantity for your product for each size. Down, you have to make the shop collection. Sorry, the shop location. You can use this in case that you have an offline shop, that an actual physical shop. You can take this when you have a real physical shop. But I think for the beginners who are doing the Shopify store, I think that they are starting offline, so I will keep it unticked. This product has a SKU or barcode. This is only for the tracking of each size, of each quantity, of each model of your product. So I will just also leave it unticked. Again, we go to the quantity. So when you have a quantity, please fill this section to make sure that you have enough quantity. As I said, the SKU is not important. It's just for know how many quantity you have from this certain product or model from this product. So it's just very important when you have a lot of inventory. Do you want to track them to keep the minimum orders, the minimum point order it's called, to, so you can order again if you are not doing drop shipping. The shipping, this is a physical product. If it's a physical product, you have to take this. If it's a digital product, you have to untake this. The weight is just to for your records, and it will be shown, by the way, on the description of your website. Depends on the theme you are using. This is the weight unit. So if you are it's 0.24 kilogram, you have to choose kilogram. If it's another thing, you have to choose it from the list. These are pre-made units, so just choose from them. The variants, it's very important to talk about them. So if you have a t-shirt and you have multiple colors from this t-shirt, you can make the option name, which is the color, and you can add down the colors that you have them already on your website, on your in your inventory warehouses. So also you can add another variants, custom variants, or pre-made variants, like the size, for example. You can choose other things. You can make like a variant for uh, let's say a package, three units or one unit. You can do all of that from this variant section. So it's super easy to use. Just add your variants. If you can see, there is add another option where you can write a new variant name. You can write a new variant name and just add it to the to the collection or to the product. So down you can see that there is the variant name. It's gray, and you can see the price of this certain color, or the gray color, how much it costs to sell, how much the selling price for this color. So if you can see, there is three variants and arrow down. Before we talk about this, just to let you know that you can make different prices. Like for the first one, I will make it 10, the second one 50, the third one 25, etc. You can do different prices. So every variant have a color, and when you see the page and there is three variants underneath, so it means that the base is $60, but the small one I will make it, for example, $20. The medium one I will make it for, let's say, $30. The large I will keep it maybe 60. So the price for the beige, it's the beige color price is between 20 to $60. The small one is 20, the medium one is 30, the large is 60. But you can group them by the size. So the size is small, and the size have five variants, which are the colors. You have the small, you can group them by the size. The size is small, medium, large, and under each size you have five variants, five different colors that you can control the size of them. So the small size have five colors: beige, black, blue, brown, and green, I think. And you can control and brown. You can control the prices from this five variants option that you can take and control from there. Search engine listing. So here it shows you how you can change how you want your product show on Google. So it's simply how the product should look like on the search engine websites like Google, like Bing, like Internet Explorer, like Yahoo. So all of them, this like the meta description for your product. So it's just for ranking. It's very important to do this when you have time. After you add your products, you can do all of your products together to optimize them to the search engines. So we forgot also to add on the right side, there is the product type. You have to choose to write something here, like if it's sunglasses or clothes or apparel, you can just need to write the product type. The vendor, you have to keep it as it is if you are the only vendor, or if you are buying from somewhere else and you want to group the products in the future by the vendor, you can write another vendor here. This collection homepage is made by default. So we have to keep it like it is right now. It's in every store made by default. So we didn't make this. The product is added automatically to it, but we will remove it right now so we can show you in the next step make the how you can make the collections automated. Underneath, there's the sunglasses. So we have to write a tag sunglass to make a collection for the sunglasses. And this collection will be automatically getting the products that they are related to sunglasses automatically added to this collection. So right now we will make a new collection called sunglasses, and we will make this collection automated, which means that every product that has a conditional logic that it's applied to or it's equal with the conditions that we will give to this collection, this product will be added to this collection automatically without any handwork. Again, so what I want to say that we added already the product type, which is sunglass. And here you can choose between the collection type. Is it manual? Manual means that you will add the products by yourself manually, and this is consuming too much time, by the way. But if you have a little bit of products that you want to manage by yourself, you can keep it manual. But if you have a big product and a huge number of products, it's preferable to make it smart. Smart means that it's automated collection. That's how I call it, the automated collection. So conditions, this is the conditions what you can choose, that this tag, when the product have a tag is equal to sunglass, this product should be added to this collection automatically. And also we can choose the title. If the title contain a certain word, this product should be added to this collection automatically. And also we can choose by different things like the vendor, the tag, the price, the weight, everything we can do in this collection. So also I will choose the price. If it's less than $60, it should be added to this collection automatically. And the weight, if it's greater than 0.224 lips, so it should be also added to this collection by default or in automatic ways. So this is all about the smart collections, and I like how they work. It's really easy to make a good structure for your website, which make the work easier in the future. When you have a lot of products and you have a lot of orders, it make everything easier to manage, and it's making also the website looking much better. Products must match all conditions or any condition. It means that if all conditions, we choose all the conditions, it means that sunglasses, the product should has a sunglasses tag. It should has in the title sunglass. The price should be less than €60, and the weight should be 0.24. And if it should has any condition, it means that if it doesn't have the sunglass, the $60 condition and the weight condition, and it's only having the tag equal to sunglass in that product, which means that this product should be added to this collection automatically. Again, so any condition means that any one of these four conditions, if it's applied to that product, it should be added to this collection. If not, it will not be added. If not any of these conditions added, this product will not be added. As you can see, the conditions, one of the conditions applied to this product, and that's why we can see that this product is added to this collection. The products sorted by, you can choose multiple things like best selling or by A to Z, by the letters, by you can sort them manually. So in the order, which one is the first, which one comes the second, which one comes the third. It's super easy. You need to click on this list and choose between the items, and you can choose how your product should be sorted. And when you go to the left side again and you look at the inventory, you can see that the inventory is an important section. When you have a lot of products, you have the all the products with the variants. Each variant you can see as a product. each variant is as a product. You can use this only when you have a lot of products, and this is the purchase orders, which mean that they are the orders that you received from your online website to manage them. This is a dashboard that you can manage the orders you received on your website, and you can look at them and keep you can track them. The transfers, it's mean that move inventory between locations. This is only used when you have two branches, branch A and branch B, and you want to move the products from branch A to branch B. It's also used when only you want to let the people, allow the people, or give them the option to take the products from your offline location. This the gift cards, it means that start selling gift cards. It's only if you want to add or start selling a gift card, or if you want to create by yourself a gift card, or and send it to someone, a customer or a friend. The catalog, it's for wholesale. When you are selling wholesale, it's not important right now, because I think that the people who are watching me are learning how to do their own business in drop shipping or print on demand. So I don't think that anyone who's doing a wholesale business who's interested to watch the video right now. So I guess that we will skip this, and we will go to other one, which is the customers. Everything related to the customers in one place. It's literally everything is related to the customers in one place, because you can here manage the customers that they bought from you, or they wanted to buy from you, or the people who created an account. You can create a customer automatically, or you can import it. It's the same story like the products. You can import them from your old website, whether it was on WooCommerce or it's on Shopify, or you can create the customers by yourself. The segments here is just sorting the customers basing on the behavior. So if the customers who have purchased at least once time, so it means that when you click on this, you can see the customers who purchased from your website. And if you go back and look again to that list, you can see that there is another behaviors, that this is really useful when you want to make marketing and you want to target the people again. Let's say that you want to make a campaign to target the people who bought from your website already. You can do that from this dashboard. You can see the list of the people who already bought, and you can import the emails and target them again by email marketing. And this is the email subscribers, which mean that the people who subscribe to your subscription email or the newsletter. And this is the upon checkout in the last 30 days, which means that they are the people who try to check out, but they had a problem for some reason. So simply, we have to target them again. We must actually target them again to make sure that they will buy from us. Offer them help, offer them a discount, etc. This is very a powerful tool that we can use to improve our sales. The companies, this is also for B2B, it's business to business. It's like for wholesalers who are doing a wholesale business, and bring it's we will, I think that we will skip this because it's not for us right now. We will do a special uh, series about it later. So when we go to meta objects, simply here you will see all the variants that you do for your products in one dashboard, so you can manage them and see what products are coming under the beige color, what products are coming under the black color, how many small size you have, how many blue color you have. So it's just for information. And here you can see the files on the left hand side. When we click on it, here it's all about the files that you upload to your website. If you upload the logo, if you upload a poster, if you upload a banner, etc., everything you can find, every attachment you can find in this dashboard. It's just very helpful when you want. Also, you can upload the videos here to add them or embed them on your website. When you go to the menus, here it's simply the menus that you create, and we can create right now a new one, and we choose the name like the header. We make the name header. That will show you how simply everything is working. So you make the header menu, and you add some pages or products underneath. So under the header menu, we can add some pages or products that then we can go to the website backend and we can choose show this header menu on the header or on the footer. So when we choose this menu to show on the footer, for example, all the items that we used right now will be shown on the top of the website or on the bottom of the website, depending if we are doing this for the header or for the footer. We can use this elsewhere, but this is the common usage for the menu. Also, the finance is just for for Shopify, so it's not needed. It's just offering you to set up payments and get free. I don't know, so it's not something that I really care about right now, and just we need to skip this. You can see also that the Pill Pay, this is also an application for payment, so it's not really interesting. And we go to the important things, which is the analytics. The analytics are really important to get information about how your website is working, how your website is doing right now. Do we need to improve the website or not? So here we can see the most important things for me, at least for me, is the online store conversion rate. In the top one, then we can see added to cart. How many people percent added to the cart? Then you can see the reached checkout, which means that how many people from the people who added to cart reached the checkout. You can see the percentage of these people. For me, it's zero because my website is brand new. Then you can see the sessions converted, which means that how many people of the people who added to cart, of the people who reached the checkout, they completed the process and they paid, and they are converted to a real customers. This is all about these simply are the important things for me. The average order value, you can see, like if someone paid $10 and let's say someone paid $10 and someone paid $100, you can know that the average order value on your store is $50. This is calculated based on all the orders you get, and you get the average value order for the average order value for all the products. Here you can choose the date, for which date you want the analytics to show for. It's from we can use the last year, month to date. You can use the last week, 4 weeks ago, etc. And you can after that open this dashboard after you choose the date, and you can see how your website is doing in that certain period. Here you can see returning customer rate, how many people that they purchased in the past from your website are coming again in percent. You can see the percentage here, and you can see a lot of other information like the location, which areas your website is getting traffic from, which areas your website is getting sales from. The reports here, you can see that it's sorted. The reports are sorted by a few things like the order over times, the orders over time, the session by location. It's by it's sorting the reports by location, by time, by behaviors, by interests, etc. And here you can see there is a live view, which mean that which areas your website is getting sales from uh, which countries. It's sometimes very helpful to know this information because you can retarget these countries, or at least scale your budget of you can scale the budget of the marketing in these certain areas. So I really recommend everyone to look at this. And when we go to the marketing, you can see the online store sessions. You can see also some same reports that we saw in the reports, but these reports are very important for the marketing, so we can use this information in our campaigns. The campaigns here are what you can do, like email marketing, for example, or a campaign for your website to Facebook, or a campaign for anything that is related to marketing. But the automation here is very important. Here you can target the people based on their behavior. So recover upon checkout mean that the people who are when the people reach the checkout, okay, you can see that you can here make a Shopify email campaign. So the people who reached the checkout but they didn't finish the checkout, they didn't complete it for some reason, so we can target them again by email marketing through Shopify. Shopify offer 10,000 email free per month, and after that $1 only per 1,000 email. email marketing is really important for any Shopify store. If you are doing drop shipping, whether you are doing business to business, whether you are doing you have a store and you want to make an online store for your website, this is really important. You can also make discounts. When you go to the left right side hand, you can see the discounts, and then you can see how the discount should work on your website. You can choose a free shipping for all the products. You can choose another way, like amount of, or buy X get Y, which means buy a product and get another one for free, or buy a product and get another one for 50% off. You can choose how you want your discount to work. Then you can see also amount of the products, mean that you can cut off the price $50 or 50%, depends also how you want. Sorry, it's discounted specific products, discount specific products or collections of products. So it's just mean that amount of products, which mean, I think, yeah, it's just 50%. Let's say that you order a certain product, and from each product you order, you get a 50% off of that product. So it's just on the product, and this amount of order, which means that on the wall order, let's say that you make a discount 50% of the order amount, so you get a discount 50%, which means you pay $500 on your wall order, not on the, on each item. So this is very important to know, so you can use it on your Shopify store in the future. We go on the left side also again to the online store. Then we go automatically to themes. It's the main dashboard of the online store. Here you can see that down is the main theme of the main free theme of Shopify, that you will see it installed on your new Shopify store. It's a free Shopify theme that it's customizable, and you can change a lot in this theme if you are on a budget. You can use this simple theme to make it really luxury, amazing theme if you have a little bit of knowledge in coding. If not, you can customize it by yourself, but it will look like normal, because without coding it's limited. Here you can see the theme library, where you can upload a theme if you purchase the theme from another place or from another marketplace on the internet. There's also popular themes on Shopify, that these are the free themes that you can see, the down, the spotlight, the craft. These are themes. There is around 12 or 13 free themes on Shopify that you can look at and choose between to use on your website. These are really beautiful, simple themes that you can use if you are on a budget. You have to look at each one of them, so you can choose the best one that fit your product or niche. Here you can see explore more themes. You can see the wall free themes, which are 12 or 13. We just saw 5 right now. There's another 7 or 8. Here also you can see in this store a lot of paid themes on Shopify. The prices are between 120, I think, to 380. These are the prices for this amazing themes. For me, these are one of the best themes I ever found for Shopify, but it depends if you are on budget or not. Usually the good theme have the higher price, so 380, $320 are the best themes on this store. They are really branded luxury themes that you can use on your website. They are pre-made. You don't need to do any efforts after you use these themes, because they are really beautiful, amazing. You have the filters on the left side, which showing you if you want to just look at the free themes or the paid themes. It's just easy to look at these themes and explore them. Blog posts, we go back to the blog posts. So it's all about ranking your website. It's just about to write articles about your products that you are using or your niche, or even about your store or business. We go to the pages on the left side again. On the left side, we can see that there is contact page that's already made. It's pre-made by Shopify. You can see the title of the on the top, and in the content you can write some content, your number of phone, your email, some information, your address maybe, and the template. Always, if you want to do a content, make sure that it's contact on the right side. We go to again navigation, which mean that it's menus. It return us to the menus. They just changed the place, but for reference for the people who don't know, they kept the navigation for them. We go to the preference, which is all about the title and meta description for your website. So how your website you should look like when you share your website link, for example, how your website title and meta description should look like when the website is on Google. Social sharing image, it's mean that the thumbnail of the website, the thumbnail of the link when you share your website link, you just need to click add image and choose one small image for your website. Google Analytics, if you want to connect Google and YouTube for your website, you can do this through the preferences, and you can also connect Facebook Pixel to your website if you are running advertisement on Facebook. It's very simple. The process is very easy. You don't need to make some too much efforts to understand how Shopify is working. Here, if you paid for the plan of your website, you can untick the restrict access to visitors with the passport. You just untick this option, and your website after that will be live without a password. But in my case, my website is still in the time, so I can't untick this. So also, we may go to the settings. We can see that the general, it's all about choosing the unit system, the default weight unit, pound, kilogram, lips, etc., time zone, which time zone we are in. So it's very important for your orders to track them. You can see the order ID, how your order ID should start with. It should start, in my case, 125, and after that it will keep counting 126, 127, etc. And the suffix, it's what should come before your your order ID. Same thing when we go to the payments. You can just easy. I can because my website is under the tray right now, but you can click on the payments on the left side, and you can choose like PayPal, Stripe, or other payment methods. There's a lot of payment methods that you can use in between, like free shipping also, and also some other options like cash on delivery, for example. So just click on this payments and you can do everything from there. Same for the taxes and duties. You can just click on this one and choose how much percentage you want to add to your products to collect tax, or how much percentage you want to add to the final products, to the final orders, so you collect the tax. And you can choose from there also if you want to collect tax or not. The shipping and delivery, it's also almost the same. You can just go to this section and choose if you how much the delivery cost for which countries, until which weight it's free, and until which weight it's paid, until which weight it's $6, and until which weight it's $10, for example. You can manage all about the delivery and the shipping from this section. That's it for the Shopify store. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I made my best to explain everything on Shopify, about Shopify. My first video, so I hope that you support us in the channel. It will mean to me the world. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great one. Bye bye. Hello.